How to make logo with Midjourney. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a logo using Midjourney. Now before we start, I'm going to talk about the importance of a logo. A logo is important because it serves as a visual representation of a company or a brand and helps establish its identity and differentiate it from other competitors. A well-designed logo can create a strong first impression, increase brand recognition, enhance brand loyalty among customers, making it an essential part of branding and marketing efforts. And right now, we're going to use Midjourney, one of the most famous AI generator in the internet right now, to create our very own unique logo using different prompts with the help of Reddit and ChatGPT. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to join a random newbie room, just like here. As you can see, people are inside this room creating their own arts all together. Now, you don't want to use these rooms because, like I said, lots of people are using it, which means that photos are being generated every second, and your photo might get overrun with the other photos, making it hard for you to scroll back and then look for your photos. And it's also annoying to just get cut off by the different photos that aren't related to what you are asking Midjourney to create for you. So I'm going to teach you a tip so that you can have your own Midjourney on your own server. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go look over here on the right side and we're going to identify the Midjourney bot over here. We're simply going to click on our Midjourney bot and we would have this option called add to server. Now, before we add our Midjourney to our server, we're simply going to create our own server, of course, to put our Midjourney bot in. So we're going to click this add a server. Then we're going to click on create my own for me and my friends. Then we can name the server personal Midjourney. And then we're going to click on create. Now over here, this is our Midjourney server. Before anything, and after that, we're going to go back to the main server of Midjourney. And then the next thing we're going to do is continue off by clicking the Midjourney bot and then clicking add the server. Now we're going to select the server we want it to be added to. And then we're going to click on the server that we have just created, personal Midjourney. Then we're going to click on continue. And then we're going to click on authorize. And then final step, click on the I am human captcha. And just like that, we can now check our newly created server. And as you can see, Midjourney is now in our server. Now to test out if it really works, we're simply going to try it and create a normal prompt. Let's say simplistic collapsing building on fire. Enter. And as you can see, it's working properly. And we're going to wait for it to create our image so that we can see if it would have no issues being in our own server. And as you can see, it's currently creating our image. And like I said earlier, we are the only one in the server, unlike the one in the Midjourney server, where lots of people are using it and images are just flowing right in. But by using our own server, we can simply just wait here and monitor our own photo. And just like that, it's finished right away. Now to begin creating our logo, we're first going to go to this Reddit page over here where we have a prompt that we would use for ChatGPT to help create us an amazing logo for our business or for anything you want to use it for. Now we're going to find this message over here and then we're going to copy this message and then we're going to paste it. Now just like here, I'm just simply going to paste the message we copied earlier and then hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to analyze the message and then wait for it to respond so that we would know that ChatGPT was able to accept this prompt over here. And as we can see here, it accepted our prompt. And now ChatGPT will help us create prompts for our Midjourney bot. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a simplistic logo for my coffee company. Then we're gonna click enter and we're going to wait for ChatGPT to create a prompt for us that we would simply copy and then paste back our Midjourney bot over here. Now while waiting for our prompt, I'm going to go back over here in Midjourney and we're going to teach you some random extra prompt or commands you can use for your own Midjourney arts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose an image that we like the most out of these images. I'm going to choose this image beside the first image. So I'm going to choose U2, and then this will enlarge or upscale our image that we have selected. And as you can see, Midjourney enlarged our picture. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open the picture. We're going to copy its image address, and then we're going to type in again imagine prompt, then Control V. This is the image address of the specific image. Then we're going to add the command dash dash v4, and this will ensure that Midjourney is using the version 4 of its AI generation, and version 4 means that this is the most updated version and it is much better than the other versions. Then we're going to add another one dash dash Q5, and this will ensure that the quality is maximized. Q1 has the lowest quality while Q5 has the highest quality. And now we're going to add one more extra command, which is dash dash stylize 30,000. Stylize would increase the render for our image, making it more detailed than normal. And we're going to enter this command. And while waiting for our image to finish, we're going back to ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT created a prompt for us, which is a prompt, a minimalist coffee logo by David, black and white, line drawing, circularized shape, negative space, and a lot of different information. So we're simply going to copy this. And then we're going back here and we're going to use this prompt right after it created this image over here. As you can see, this image that we have created earlier is now more detailed with a lot of things. And to be honest, these images can be used for a logo for different businesses because it just looks so good. Now we're going to focus on what ChatGPT gave us. We're simply going to type in imagine prompt and Control V. This is the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. We're going to remove this part of the message. Then click on enter. And as you can see, Midjourney will now start to create our prompt over here. And we're just going to wait. And just like that, Midjourney created amazing logo just for us. We have this very simple logo on the top. We have simple messages, and then we have the shapes of the cup. And then the one that I like the most is the one here on the bottom left. Now, after selecting what we want, you can simply click on which UI option it is. And U1 means this option over here. U2 means this option over here. And U3 is the one that we want. So I'm going to click this. And then we're waiting for it to upscale our image. And there you go. As you can see, Midjourney has enlarged our photo. And we could simply click this. And we could simply save this logo for ourselves. And if you're not satisfied with your logo, you can simply ask for ChatGPT to recreate you another one and then do the same thing until Midjourney creates a photo that satisfies you. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use Midjourney to create a logo just for you. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.